guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am Posh and this is Mad Life with Posh. And if you are new to my channel, please do consider liking and subscribing, because this channel is all about beauty, self-care and fun videos and vlogs. So without a further ado, let's get started with this video, because in this video we will be discussing 5 best products that one should definitely try from the brand Good Vibes. So first product in this range is the Good Vibes lip balm. I have the variant chocolate over here. This tub is a very mini tub, although you are seeing this in a small version, but the net content of this tub is 8 grams and it is filled up till the core. The coverage of this lip balm, I tell you guys, it is very sheer to the skin. It feels very moisturizing and it doesn't give any stain to your lips, which in my opinion is very nice. If you want to wear a lip balm under your liquid lipstick that is very drying to your lips, then this kind of lip balms are very nice. And this lip balm over here doesn't even create a hole in your pocket, because this one I think I bought for under rupees 100, although I'll be mentioning the actual prices on the screen of this lip balm, but you can always get this under rupees 100 or within rupees 100, because Purple always gives sale to their own home products, and this one is a definitely go-to product if you are looking for that one product. My second product is a very famous Good Vibes Rose Hill Face Serum. This serum that I have over here comes in a net 10 ml volume, and I have a oily skin, so I don't use too much of any oil based serum or anything on my skin that makes my skin very patchy. But on the other note, if you are from a drying skin type and not from my skin type, then you can definitely invest in these kinds of serum, because these are very lightweight to the skin and they gives you a very shiny effect to the skin. If you are wanting to replace your primer, your silicone primer in your makeup routine, you can definitely go for this kind of serum, because this serum over here gives a very shiny effect to your skin, glossy effect, which if you wear a makeup under this serum, then it will make your makeup look very dewy. It will give a very dewy finish. And the shelf life and the affordability of the product is, I don't know what to say. It is very affordable. I think I bought this product under rupees 200, which is a very nice product, because in reality, if you are looking for a nice rose hip serum from any other brands, then you will at least have to pay more than rupees 500 bucks. But here over in this price range, that is under rupees 200, if you are getting such a nice product which helps your skin to glow and at the same time doesn't harm your skin at all, because these products, all the products from Good Vibes are all paraben free and sulfate free, and some are even mineral oil free, which are great, because this in the long run, if you use it daily to your skin, then it affects your skin. And these products are very skin friendly. So if you are looking for a very skin friendly kind of a product which will at a stretch help your makeup look very nice and professional, and give and also make your skin look very nice, then you can definitely invest in this kinds of products. Because after using this product, I really stopped using my primer, because this product is that good, guys. Give it a try and you will say thank you to me later. My third product from the Good Vibes range is their lemon foaming face wash. If you can see that I have already used this product up till this and I'm almost on the verge of ending this bottle, and I am totally in love with this product. This has a very mild smell to it, and the pump of this product that you have over here, it is a very nice pump. Once pump and you are good to go. Even for a big face like me, it creates a very nice lather in your skin to wash off all the dirt and the oil that your skin secretes. But at the same time, if you are looking for a face wash that would easily wash off your waterproof makeup, then this face wash is not that strong. But if you are looking for a face wash that you can use on a day-to-day basis, then this one is a really nice product. And yet again, this product is paraben free, sulfate free, mineral oil free, and definitely cruelty free. If I have not mentioned before, then I am again mentioning it now, because Good Vibes comes with all the products. These are cruelty free products, and the shelf life of this product is also 3 years, which is nice. And in reality, if you are buying a foaming face wash, then you will only be needing a very small tiny bit amount of this product in a daily usage. So it is very affordable, and yet it comes in a very longevity in itself, which one can use for a great amount of time, and it is very nice to your skin. It smells nice. This foaming face wash has many other variants. I would definitely recommend one to use the tulsi and the green tea variation of this product, because that is really nice and I love their smell too. The next product that I have over here is definitely the Good Vibes face mist. The face mist, if you don't know what it is, then let me tell you, face mist are kind of products that help your skin regime in day-to-day basis to accelerate a bit more, to get it energized a bit more, because 1 or 2 sprays of this on all over your face makes your face or skin feel energized within a second. And the variation that I have over here is jasmine. Although somehow Good Vibes stopped producing this variation of the product, but you can definitely go for the other variations. But let me tell you, if you are opting for the Mogra variation of this one, then don't go for it, because if you are sensitive to strong smelling products, then I had a kind of headache once I sprayed it all over my head, all over my face. But the other variants are very nice, very soothing, and very affordable. I think this product costed me less than rupees 150, although the MRP is 150, but I definitely bought it less than rupees 150. I will be mentioning the price of it on the screen. And this product is also paraben, sulfate and cruelty free, and the shelf life is also 3 years, which is generally for all the products of Good Vibes. And the spray of this products, if you see guys, then you can see it is a pretty decent spray, and the sprays kind of sprays all over your hand or face in 1 or 2 pumps, which is very nice. And I will tell you that if you are in a budget, don't want to invest your money in a toner, then definitely go for an affordable version and buy yourself a face mist. You won't regret it. My last product in this range is the Good Vibes Mint Toilet Spray, and this product comes within a net 50 ml volume, and this one too is a paraben, sulfate and a cruelty free product. But don't go this by its size. This product is a very useful product, because if you are a working woman, or if you are any woman who goes out in a daily basis and use a public space or a public toilet, then you must use this kind of products, because once you are using a public toilet, then you should use this kind of product to spray it all over the loo, and your bathroom seat will be sanitized, and it will help you not getting contaminated in your lady parts, which is very very essential nowadays, because given the situation and the germs that we are getting easily contaminated with, this kinds of product comes very very handy. If so, it is highly recommended from my side, and the product comes at a cost that too is very affordable comparing to other similar kind of products that are available in the market. And the price of this product is 99. They always provide you with a discount on the MRP of their home product, and I think the smell is quite suitable, quite soothing if you are using it on the toilet. It comes in a mint variation. Mint and neem both are very very natural, hygiene oriented product, so it doesn't come in a very strong smell so that you get a headache, but it comes in a very nice and very soothing kind of a smell. And I tell you, once I use this product, I never stopped putting it down, so I hope you will too not put it down. So with that, we have come to the end of this video. So let me know how much you liked my recommendation. Go ahead and buy these products. All the links are provided in the description box down below. Do check it out. And if you also want to buy and explore the other variations or the other range of products that Goodvibes product, go ahead, try it, let me know how much you liked it. If you have any other recommendation, do feel free to recommend it in the comment section down below. And definitely please like and subscribe to my channel if you like this kinds of video. Until then, bye bye.